Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be cooking goat meat. But the question is, how do you like to cook your goat meat? Do you like it grilled or fried? Kindly leave a comment below on which you prefer and the reason why. Stay tuned to watch and see our secret ingredient for a yummy-licious aroma. Kindly like, subscribe, and share this video. Welcome back. I have washed and cleaned the goat meat and put it in a pot. I'm going to be revealing that secret ingredient for that yummy-licious aroma. Drum roll, please. Down. There you have it. Bay leaf is our secret ingredient. Bay leaf has lots of benefits. It's antioxidant, it's anti-inflammatory, it relieves pain. Kindly look in the description below to see more benefits that I have listed. Other ingredients that you would need to prepare the goat meat are dry pepper, which is optional, seasoning, garlic, onion, salt, and of course our bay leaf. Let's head right into the video. Now we're just going to put all the seasoning. You can infuse all your ingredients. You marinate it and put it in the fridge. Put it on the stove the next day. And then cooking right away. Then we'll grill after. So first, I got my onion. It's washed. So I'm going to slice it. I got my garlic. You may choose to use the garlic press, or you can choose to grate it. So I'm going to be showing you an example of how to use the garlic press. And you squeeze it, see? This little comes out. But for me, I prefer to use my grater. It has a little bit of, pop there, I don't know. So it depends on your choice, how long you want to wait. So I'm just going to lay this out there and I'm going to use my grater. There's the bigger end, there's the tiny one, and then there's another coarse one. I usually use the second part. Garlic has a lot of health benefits. Its antioxidant properties helps fight cancer, and it has some antibacterial properties as well. It's also used for common cold, to treat common cold, and some high levels of garlic as supplements can even help reduce your blood pressure. You can read about it and learn more about that. I'm going to put in our salt, just a little bit of salt, and our pepper. It's optional. Now we've got our bay leaf. Some people choose to whether cut it in bits and pieces like that, and some people can leave it whole. So it depends on you, whatever you want to do. I just cut it up like that and put it there. Now we're going to unwrap our seasoning. So you can use any seasoning of your choice. You can use a powdered one, you can use the cubes, you can use the liquid one. It all depends on the type that you'd like to use. You would marinate it. I don't use my hand to marinate. I'm just going to use a spoon. Now I'm going to cover it. I'll turn on the stove. So guys, it's been a few minutes, like say 10 minutes. I'm just going to look at it to see. Ooh, look at that. So what I'm going to do is that I'm still going to stir it up. Cooker, but I usually use my regular pot. Now I'm just going to cover it up and let it simmer for a bit, and then we'll come back to it. So guys, I'm just going to check now to see how far our cooking is going now. So just going to open it up. Wow, such a nice aroma. If you noticed when I put it on the stove earlier, I didn't add water. But you can see there's a bit of water there, so you can see, you know, so it makes it juicier. When you put it on the stove and cook, let it simmer without adding water. I'm just going to cover this and let it cook a bit. So at this point, you could even like lower it a bit, you know, so it simmers more and it don't get burnt. We're just going to check to see how the goat meat has been cooking. It's been cooking for about 48-50 minutes. We still have just very little water left. I'm going to check now to see if the sauce is good. I'm going to preheat the oven. I'm going to put it on boil and start on high. When it preheats, then put it to low. So I'm just going to put it on high and start it. I'm going to turn this off. And we also need vegetable oil. It's optional. You could use vegetable oil to grease your pan, or you could use parchment paper oil there. So you could use your hand, you could use a brush. It all depends on you. So I'm just going to use my hand there. And I'm going to grease my pan to the corners. What I do is that I just begin to dish it out. Or the middle layer. I'm just going to put it on the top layer. You guys wear your gloves, but it's not too hot for me, so I'm okay. It's been about 10 minutes, so I'm just going to open up and see what's going on here. Wow, look at that. Look at the color. Beautiful. You would never believe it wasn't fried. So I'm just going to turn it over. Don't mind my tongue. The other side of the purple one just came off so much. Still useful. Turn it over. Yay! I always like singing, so guys, you're gonna have to bear with me now. And also, if you notice, when I took it out of the pot, there was like no oil. Goat meat is really good. It's less oily as compared to beef. You know. So while you're turning this, if you'd like, you can turn off your oven. You know, or put it on low. I usually like to lower mine. Or just leave it. Okay, now I'm going to put this back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes so this part can brown up as well. I'm putting in a top layer if you notice, and we'll be back. And let's see what we have here. I left it for an extra 15 minutes. Look at that. Look how juicy that is. This is awesome. Amazing. I'm excited. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put it in the plate and show you guys the end result. Tell me if you have any other thing to add, if there's any other method you use. just let me know. Please do not forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up for this, and share with your family, share with your friends, put the word out there, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time. God bless.